Hey everybody, Roger Levin here with your orthodontic practice production pearl of the week. This one's going to be a little hard hitting because I need to talk about this with you, even though I really like to focus on the positive, but this one does spring from a little bit of negative. And the subject is remote monitoring, but the subject is remote monitoring and your current staff. Now, we like the current staff. We want to keep the current staff. Some of them have been with you for 20 years, or they're loyal, or they're bubbly, and we really, really love having them. My point is not to change your staff, it's to change your staff's thinking. Because over the last 41 years, where I've acted as the CEO of Levin Group, given thousands of orthodontic lectures and we've worked with thousands of orthodontic practices in management and referral marketing, we have seen a pattern in all the years, every year, of staff resistance to change. It's not that the staff are bad people. They're great people. It's natural. I like the way I do my job. I know what to do. I'm comfortable. I'm not afraid of it. And I'll get back to afraid of it in 1 second. And you're bringing me something new, and I'm just not interested. When management software in the 1980s was first introduced, you would not believe how many front desk people said to their dentist, "If you buy a computer, I'll quit." Wow, what a crazy thought is when we look back. But it wasn't that crazy back then. They were scared of computers because they didn't know how to use them. And the answer is training. When you introduce remote monitoring, many of your staff are going to be resistant. And a lot of your staff are used to doing things their way. Remote monitoring is a protocol. This is what must be done every day in and day out. You don't miss a day. And if you miss a day, you're just back on it tomorrow, because otherwise treatment suffers, results suffer, communication suffers, patient relations suffer. So in the world of remote monitoring, we can't have staff resistance. There's a lot of it because we have to practice differently, and we can't have, I'll get to it, oh, I'm very busy today, I'll get to my job relative to remote monitoring when I get a chance. Can't have that. So there's certain things that need to be done. Levin Group teaches a lot of one-day rules. These are the things that must be done every single day. Here's how you do it. Here are the results you're looking for. And this is critical. I'm not going to talk today about things like, well, what if you can't reach the patient and they're out there with braces and you're not reaching them? We've got answers for all of that. The main message is what must be done and how to break through resistance. Because if you have resistance to remote monitoring, it won't work. If you don't carry out the necessary action items daily, it won't work. And we want it to work because it's a great thing. As always, I wish you increased practice production and referrals every year, and I'll see you next week.